Jason Tirado over here with Elon. Yes, I've got the mask on. He doesn't need one, but that's okay. And we are filming this because his girlfriend asked for it. That's what we want, right? There we go. All right, so we're going to just start off by loosening up his shoulders, all right? So that's the first thing we're going to do, all right? Just to try to take out some of the muscle tension that's inside here. So this doesn't hurt, all right? This feels good, all right? Because he's got a lot. You had one in the car?
Yeah, I was like, I shouldn't bring one in. I think I'll offend them. He's like, no.
Same one?
Hyperbole.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
That cost you a couple $100. All right. This is called an activator. I use this just to kind of loosen up the spine.
Whoa.
What do you mean, whoa? What do you mean,
The
whoa?
sound is
What do you mean? Good, good. Straight ahead. You're going to go this way. Say, ooh, that's stiff. That's stiff.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Good, straight ahead. Awesome. Okay, take your shoulders now. Just take your arm. Just have this. You come right out. Okay, open up that shoulder joint. Okay, you want to show this? Good. Good. Let's do the other side. Same way. Just like that. All right. Okay. Unlocks those shoulders. Those people that get frozen shoulder, stiff joints.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Good, just like that. Awesome.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's hammer time.
Oh.
Chiseling away now. Here we go. Here we go. Let's unlock these shoulders a little bit more. There we go. Okay, we go to the front. Why is she cringing? Okay. Hit this other side. Okay, just move that joint just a little bit.
So with Elon, if I mention I have a headache, he goes, you should see the chiropractor.
He's right.
Like, I'm hungry. You should see the chiropractor.
He's right. You're hungry to see the chiropractor? Guy loves the chiropractor. That's awesome. That's awesome. You kidding me? What are you talking about? That's my best. That's my best patient. That's my best patient. Let me just take this arm. Right. So take it here and then just let it drop. Just relax. Right, just gonna go out. And come in a little bit. Just relax. Good. Let's do the same the other side. And just let it drop, Elon. Cool. Yeah, that's a little tight. Just gonna go out and in. Awesome. Awesome. Good. Good. Gotta go to a chiropractor. All right, there you go. Next time you're hungry. Hungry.
For real, for everything.
For everything. Why not? Why not? Yeah. Hungry. Never heard of that one. All right. Good. Same thing here. Just relax the arm. A little bit more. Good. Good. Relax here. Ooh. Good. Awesome. Good. Now, come lay face down here, please. Okay.
He hasn't made a face yet. I've been making
Only good faces. And just relax a little bit. Boy, that's really rotated out. Yeah. And just relax here. Okay, got some rotation in that right hip a little bit. See if we can clean it up. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm just going to tap your sacrum a little bit. take your leg, just lift it up a little bit. Come back down. Same thing with the other. Bring it back down. So. One more time, bring it up. Nice, bring it back down. Perfect. Good, we're getting it. Just relax a bit. Awesome. Adjust that lumbar. Breathe in a little deep, please. All the way out. Just relax a little bit. Good. One more time in. All the way out. And just let it go. Good. Good. Alright, Eli, just focus on your breathing. Breathe nice and easy. I'm just going to open up the joint a little bit and relax. Good. Come over here this side. And again, just focus on your breathing. A little more. Good. Excellent. Nice. All these cracks and pops, you can't believe it. Come on your side. Face my window, please. There's something right there.
I'm like, oh Lord, please, please.
Just like that. Cool. Okay, I'm just going to bring this, bend that like that. Good. And so I'm just going to put my arm inside here. Good. Just relax a bit. Just going to come here. Breathe in really deep. All the way out. Relax. Good. Come on your other side, please. Face the doorway. Good. Just going to turn you a little bit. Awesome. Come a little closer. Okay. Just like that. Boy, that back is tight.
Yeah.
Very tight. Breathe in again. All the way out. Let it go. Good. Good. Come on your back, face up here. Good. Yeah, that little back is tight. Okay. First things first, bring these knees up. Squeeze your knees together, please. Separate your knees, separate. Good, relax. Good, come right back down. I know, let this drop down to the side. Relax. Good, come back inside here. Just let it drop. Good. Now just relax the leg. A little bit more. Just gonna put a little movement into your knee. That's it. Just gotta let that go. Good. Same thing here. A little closer. Good. Excellent. See if we can get that ankle joint. Alex. Good. Good. Same thing here. Just gonna open up the joint a little bit. Try to let your leg relax. Slide back up a little bit. I think nothing's waking up that dog today. Nothing.
That's me.
Amazing, right? That's him. Let's see how we're doing here. Ooh,
Yeah.
that's what we want, right? Yeah. Let's start with that. Good. Just focus on your breathing, nice and easy. Good. I'm just going to put a little bit of a stretch inside here, just a little bit more. That's it. Just try to open up that joint. Relax. Good. 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 How'd that feel so far? Pretty good?
Yep.
Awesome.
All good.
One more. One more. Right there. Right there. Good. Just try to let these muscles relax. Think about the beach. Right? Think about
Going
the
back
beach.
to sleep again.
No, I don't want to sleep. Good. Just kind of let that go. Just going to try to really just open up the joint before I adjust it. See if I can get it to relax just a little bit further. A little bit more. Okay, let it go. Good. Come back here. Breathing very deep for me. All the way out. Let it go. Awesome. Okay. That's the adjustment. Too bad, right?
This is the first time I see one.
Keep your hand up. 1, 2, and 3. Easy. Legs on the other side. Loosen you up a little bit. Hold on a second. I guess if you're looking around, it looks a little nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
We're all set. There we go. It's your first adjustment.
That was cool.
First adjustment for her to see.
Oh.
All right, Dr. Tirado here. We're here to on, and what's your name?
Valerie.
Valerie. That's going to be New York's finest pretty soon. All right?
Yeah.
All right, shout out to her. Cool. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe, and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel by checking out my Crackamaniac t-shirts by clicking on the link below. And also, I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon, and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.